Everyone knows the big AI tools. But these are the underrated free ones that quietly produce incredible work, and almost nobody is talking about them. Here are 7 hidden gems with real results. Let's go. Number 7 is SeaArt, and it sets the tone. If a designer charged you $500 for this, you'd pay it. It cost nothing. And here's the wild part, the secret to that realism is one line, shot on 35mm film, natural light, visible skin texture. That kills the fake plastic AI look instantly. This is exactly the part agencies do not want you to see. The only catch with SeaArt, it pushes a daily energy system, so heavy use needs patience or an upgrade. But it gives a daily free allowance and a huge community model library. To use it, go to SeaArt.com, browse the Explore feed, copy a style you like, and run it with a free daily allowance. But hold on, because the next tool does something even this one can't. At number 6, Artbreeder, keep your eyes on the screen. I stared at this for a full minute before I believed a machine made it. What flipped it for me? Drop hyper-detailed and trending on ArtStation. Add film grain and tiny imperfections instead. That's the realism switch. Which means the stock photos you're paying for are basically obsolete. The only catch with Artbreeder, it's less about prompts and more about blending images, so it has a learning curve. But it is free to experiment with image blending and character design. To use it, go to artbreeder.com, pick 2 images and blend them, or tweak sliders to morph a result toward your idea. And honestly, that's nothing compared to what's coming. Coming in at 5, Mage. This one surprised me. Stop scrolling for a second. A free AI made this, from one sentence. Here's what almost nobody tells you, order beats length. Write subject, then medium, then lighting, then camera, the model weights the first words the most. And we're not even at the good ones yet. The only catch with Mage, the interface is bare bones and some models are gated, but the core generator is open. But it is free and fast, with no account needed for basic generations. To use it, go to mage.com, type your prompt, choose a model, and generate, no sign-up wall to get started. Trust me, it only gets crazier from here. Next up, number 4, Recraft. This is the image that made me cancel 2 apps I was paying for. Here's the part that feels like cheating, lock the seed, then change 1 word at a time. You control the image instead of gambling on a reroll. And remember, that's the free plan. Let that sink in. The only catch with Recraft, free credits disappear fast, and it leans toward vectors and brand assets over photoreal. But it hands you free daily credits, ideal for logos, icons, and clean illustrations. To use it, go to Recraft.com, switch between raster and vector, describe your asset, and lock a consistent brand style. Wait until you see what the top tool pulls off. OpenArt grabs number 3, and here's why. This one stopped me cold. No camera, no designer, no Photoshop. A free tool generated it. And the trick the pros quietly use? Name the lens. 85mm, shallow depth of field, and suddenly it reads as a real camera, not AI. So the whole, you need to be an artist excuse, just died right here. The only catch with OpenArt, 100+ models can paralyze a beginner, so just start with the default. But it gives free daily credits across more than 100 AI models. To use it, go to openart.com, scroll the discovery feed, tap any image you like, and hit create with that same model. But hold on, because the next tool does something even this one can't. Number 2 is Lexica, and it sets the tone. Look at this. You'd bet money it's a real photo, it's 100% AI, made in seconds. The crazy thing? Most broken results are fixed by one habit, a negative prompt. Just add, no text, no warped hands, no oversaturation. This is exactly the part agencies do not want you to see. The only catch with Lexica, the free tier caps your monthly generations, but it's unbeatable for stealing prompt ideas. But it is free to browse millions of images and the exact prompts that made them. To use it, go to Lexica.com, search any look you want, study the prompts behind the images, then remix your own. And honestly, that's nothing compared to what's coming. At number 1, Playground, keep your eyes on the screen. Be honest, could you tell this was fake? Because almost nobody can. The detail that sells it, name a real medium. Oil painting, risograph print, or 3D clay render beats the word beautiful every single time. Which means the stock photos you're paying for are basically obsolete. The only catch with Playground, tricky prompts can take a couple of tries, but the daily free limit is genuinely generous. But it lets you make hundreds of images a day for free, great for posters and graphics. To use it, go to playground.com, open a template, describe the result, pick a style, and generate variations. That's the list. Every link and prompt is in the description. Comment which tool you'd actually use, and subscribe, because I find the best free AI tools and break them down honestly every day.